Hello my dear viewers, welcome to my channel DIY craft videos. How are you all guys? Hope you all are fine and good. In this video today I am going to show you bottles craft ideas in different styles. These are very beautiful bottle vases. These are recycled material. So I really hope that you will like these designs and these ideas. If you are my new viewer and you are watching my video first time, please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to get the daily latest updates. In this video, you will see almost 30 plus of ideas, and all ideas are very different from each other. You can use fresh flowers and artificial flowers in it. I really hope that you will enjoy my video. If you like this video, then press the like button and please let me know in comment section if you want to see more ideas about these bottles craft. So guys, keep supporting me, don't go anywhere, keep share my videos as much as you can. In my next video I will show you more ideas. So guys, please do not forget to subscribe my channel. इस वीडियो में आप लोग देख सकते हैं बॉटल्स क्राफ्ट के आइडियाज़ इन मैनी स्टाइल्स. सो आई रियली होप कि आप मेरी वीडियो पसंद करेंगे और आगे भी मेरी वीडियो को ज़रूर शेयर करेंगे. अगर आप मेरे न्यू व्यूवर्स हैं, मेरी वीडियो फर्स्ट टाइम देख रहे हैं, तो मेरा चैनल ज़रूर सब्सक्राइब कीजिएगा और बेल आइकन पे प्रेस कीजिएगा ताकि आप लोगों को मेरी डेली की नोटिफिकेशन ईजिली मिलती रहे. So keep watching my videos guys, keep supporting me and please share my videos as much as you can. I will be back soon with my new videos, with my new ideas. Do take care of yourself guys and remember me in your prayers. Bye bye, take care of yourself. अल्लाह हाफिज़. अपना बहुत सारा ख्याल रखिएगा. अपने नेक्स्ट वीडियो में आप लोगों के साथ और आइडियाज़ शेयर करूँगी. डू टेक केयर ऑफ़ योरसेल्फ गाइस. प्लीज़ सपोर्ट मी टू ग्रो माई चैनल. I will show you more ideas. Thank you so much guys. Once again, thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz and take care of yourself.